Good morning. Welcome back. Thank you for clicking on this video. So I'm about to just go run some errands. So I'm like, let me show y'all how I do my eyebrows. It's really basic. For beginners, I would recommend using pencils, like those eyebrow pencils in the shade like brown, not black or nothing, and then just like sketch. I'll probably do a video like that in sometime in the future, but for now what I use is the Anastasia, of course, in the color chocolate. Yeah, there you go. Yes, this is my go-to. I don't use anything else. I freaking love it. And it lasts forever. You know how long I have this? And it's like just hitting pan on that side. Things last forever. So I'm going to use this. This is the main ingredients. Then a angled brush. And that's for the eye. These two are for the eyebrow. And then to clean up, because that's the main thing, to clean up with concealer. So this thing right here, I first used this for a foundation. I don't know why anybody couldn't tell me it was not my skin tone, but whatever. This, what is it? It's a Velvet Moisturizing Stick Foundation. And basically, you just need to use anything that's lighter than your skin tone to clean up. So it could be a foundation, it could be a concealer. That's the right thing to use, a concealer. But just anything lighter than your skin tone. And then I'll be using it with this angled brush. And then the other end is just a little brush, a little comb. So let's get into it. I'm sorry, I did not pluck or line my eyebrows up. I didn't have the time to. I'm sorry. But so you don't have to, when it comes to this, you don't have to dig into it. Just brush over it. Just get what you get in on the actual brush itself. I like to go around the edges, like go around. That's why you see this part is so empty. I like to go around. And then what I usually do, I start from right here, and then I bring it out, and then I like start from the front. So I start from the arch, and you just want to sketch. It's easier when you just do light movements. So there, I have that, and then I just start to connect. So I get some more on my brush, and then I go back in. Hopefully y'all could see. I'm sorry if y'all can't see because I'm just using natural lighting. I cannot find my video light. I don't know where it's at. But then when I get to the front, the more you get to the front, the lighter the strokes are supposed to be. Then you just kind of fill it in. Fill it in very lightly at the front, because you don't need no damn boxy look. Okay? And then we go into the top. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. Like, I mean, you want it to be perfect so it's less work when you concealing, but it doesn't have to be perfect. What has to be perfect is the concealing part. So then we go to the top, and like I said, you start at the arch and then you build your way into the arch. So and then you just connect to the bottom, and then kind of fill it in as you go. So it's so simple. It's like you make the outline, you make the top and bottom outline, and then you just fill in. It's easy. Practice makes perfect. So I just get some more on my brush, and then I go back in. That was too dark and too high, but that's fine. Fix it with some concealer. So that's one eye. It's kind of broad, but I'm gonna clean it up. And then let me just go over the other eye real quick. Alright, and then I mainly use this to brush out the front because I just want it to look natural. Okay, so same concept with this. You just dip, you know, get a lot on, and then so you're just gonna basically line right under, and I guess some people don't do over. Jesus Christ, yo. You know what? Let me just show y'all and stop talking. And after you line, you just bring it out a little bit. And then you drag it down. Please, 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 please drag it down. So as you can see, I kind of took off the edge with the concealer. So if you take off anything like up here, you just go back over it with the pencil or the dip brow. There. And then same thing, start off right here. That's what I like to start off here, and then work your way from here back into here. So, and then make sure you just get right up under, because you're just cleaning up. You're just cleaning up basically. That's all. when you do your eye makeup, it'll blend more properly. But if you're not doing eye makeup, you're supposed to be putting like concealer over your eyelid and blending it out. So when you do that, it blends out with this, it blends together. And then after you do that, then you could set it with some powder. Some makeup powder, of course. There. And I like to blend it out with my fingers. Because today, I'm wearing glasses. So ain't nobody gonna see my eyes. So I'm not doing nothing to my, not doing anything to my lids. So I just blend it out with my fingers. Or if you have a brush, but sometimes your fingers is the best tool. Alright. And then with the excess, like not a lot. I mean, some people conceal the top too, but I don't have time for that. I mean, not that I don't have time, but I'm always mess up on it, so I just don't bother. So I just like take the excess that's left on the brush and just like clean it up a little bit. Yeah. Yep. There. But that is it. The more you do it, the faster you get at it. It really shouldn't take long in your makeup process. It really should not. But that's it to it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Thank you for clicking on this video. And like I said, in the future I will be doing one with the pencil, so you can see how that's done too. But I really hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope I was in depth enough for y'all. So like I said, I'm not doing nothing to the rest of my face today. I'm gonna just gel down these edges, throw on some shades, and go about my business. But thank y'all so much for clicking. I need to fix up this eye. Please don't mind that. I'll just do this for the rest of the video. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe, share, comment, like. Tell me what y'all want to see in the comments, and peace.